Hey, my name is Tim, and I'm going to explain to you in this video how you can grow your first online coaching business to 6 figures. Now, I've been an online coach for the past 5 years, doing it correctly for the past 3 years. The first 2 years were a bit wonky, but we really grew our business a lot in the last 3 years. And I want to share with you exactly how you can take your coaching business, especially if it's your first online coaching business. Maybe you've been doing this for about 6 months, maybe a year, maybe shorter, maybe even longer. Maybe you weren't doing it correctly for the first part, and now you're ready to take action and grow it this year to 6 figures, which is, $100,000 US or more, or whatever other currency you're using, or more in a year. I want to share with you how you can go ahead and do that in your business without all the wasted time, without all the confusion about chasing down sales, chasing down clients, launching programs, canceling programs, all that. I'm going to clear this up for you and share with you actually what I did and how we shifted our business in the last 3.5 years, and how we really scaled way past 6 figures and grew it as best as we could and helped other people doing this. So let's go ahead and get into the training. So the first thing that I want you to understand, the first principle of building your business to 6 figures and beyond as an online coach, especially if it's new for you and it's your first business, is speaking the right language. I think that this is something that's widely underrated in the coaching space or in the consulting space. And a lot of times, the language that we use in our business, in our content, attracts certain kinds of people. Even at the beginning of this video, there was a certain intro that I used that we cut out of the video that actually is not the right kind of language for the kinds of people I want to attract to me. The way I spoke, the way that I used my intro just didn't feel right. So I switched the language to accommodate the people who would be watching this video. I'm not going to say yo, that's not a good language to use for this. Hey, my name is Tim, and right? So understanding how to use the right language is extremely important. What kind of language do you use to attract people online? And this is really important in all of your marketing, whether it's your social media posts, the kind of graphics that you use, what your offers are about, right? So let's say that you are a self-development coach and you teach people purpose and passion and how to find clarity and consciousness in what they do, which is similar to my main business, teaching relationships and dating. That's how we built our first coaching business. One of the things that I learned how to do is use a very specific language. So let's say that you want to attract entrepreneurs and attract professionals, use language that's going to attract them. Let's say that you want to attract a younger crowd, use language that's going to attract younger people. Let's say that you want to attract women to your business, use language that's going to attract women. If you want to attract busy professionals and people that are not just entrepreneurs, but people that are really busy professionals, what's the language you want to use? An example of language is the stories that you share. What kind of stories do you share as you express yourself and as you express the narrative of your business, as you express the whys in your business, as you express your offers? What kind of stories do you share? Do you use the right kind of language? An example of doing this wrong is, let's say you want to attract professionals and you talk about saving a lot of money in your business and when you invest in different programs. That language isn't going to help you attract professionals that are earning a lot, because I know in working with professionals, for them what's a lot of times is more important is not saving as much money as possible, but it's actually investing in the right kinds of programs and people that are going to give them very quality, very verified advice that's very professional, advice that's very quality, not saving lots of money. So in your content, if you talk about saving money and you talk about affordable coaching, or you talk about affordable coaching plans and coaching programs, a lot of times you're going to alienate people that would actually spend a lot of money on your programs, or a substantial amount of money, what we call high ticket coaching. You're going to alienate those kind of people, and instead what you're going to attract are people who really want to save money. And you don't want those kind of people. You don't want people to come to your business who really want to penny pinch and don't value investing in themselves. So understanding that and understanding the language you use is massively important. Number 2 is increase your prices. If you want to build your business to 6 figures and beyond, you have to up how much you're getting paid. Simple as that. We doubled our prices in 2019 and we tripled them in 2020. And it was the biggest boost we ever made in our business. Now, I increased the quality of my coaching programs. I started offering way more in my coaching programs. More people were being helped because of the work that I was doing, but still we increased the price of our offer. And when we did that, we we found that it was a lot easier for us to invest in other things. And when I say us, I mean myself and my small team. It was a lot easier to invest in our own growth, our own education, and as a result, we could provide better programs for our clients, right? So I want you to understand this. As you grow your coaching business, if you find yourself struggling to hit that $10,000 a month mark or that $8,000 a month mark, which will get you to six figures, it could be because you're not charging enough. My father actually always tells me this, and he runs a very successful media company. What he tells me is, if you find a bottleneck in your business where you're so close to breaking through to the next level, either your offer is wrong and you just haven't hit your stride and there's something you need to tweak in how you're offering to people, or you're just not charging enough. And oftentimes what I found with people we work with is they're simply not charging enough. Whether maybe you're charging a one-time price of $1,500 or you're doing very low ticket offers, things like $200. If you're giving your time and you're offering a real transformation, or for your consulting business, if you're really solving a major problem for the people you work with, what is your price? Are you actually charging the right amount? We made a video about how much you should charge and how to actually charge the right amounts. Maybe we'll go ahead and put the link to that video somewhere up here, maybe in the little pop-up at the top of the video. But are you charging the right amount for your programs? Increase your prices if they're not enough. Number 3, if you really want to build your business to over 100K, you have to focus on relationships. Focus on building the right kinds of relationships in your business so that people can actually know who you are and you can grow your business faster, you can grow better. One of the big shifts that we made in our company was we stopped focusing on chasing the little sales and, chasing, hey, can you pay me today for this amount of money just for a little program. And instead we focused on building better relationships with our clients. So what happened was we started doing longer programs and better programs, and more people started investing long term. Our programs were way better and we offered a bigger transformation. And I started coaching actually fewer people in 2019 and 2020. And as a result, our business expanded and we had people coming back and paying us more than $10,000, $15,000, sometimes even $20,000 for these coaching programs. Some of it was one-on-one, some of it was group coaching, but we built these amazing relationships because of the funnel that we built and because the progression of how we structured our program, right? So instead of us focusing on the quick wins, well, I think I just said focusing. So is that a real word? Focusing. Yeah, that is a real word. Okay, it sounded weird to me. But instead of us focusing on the quick wins, where it's like, let me get a quick sale here for a program that maybe lasts 4 weeks. Instead, what we did is we extended our programs and offered way more than we ever thought was possible, like way more attention, way more care. And instead of trying to hustle and get as many clients as we could for shorter programs and getting the quick dollar in where we had a breath of fresh air, instead we just said, let's build a relationship. Let's have longer programs that offer you way more for a higher price and a better, bigger result. We're going to expand your business so much. And then we built an amazing relationship with each and every client. And as a result, we got paid more. Our clients grew their business way more, and they had better relationships, with our dating business. And as a result, everyone was happy and we were able to grow our business way beyond 6 figures over the last 3 years. Now, if you want to use these principles to help your own business, then I suggest you really tap into this kind of learning because it's going to take your business to the next level. Go ahead and check out the training that I have below. It's basically how you can take your coaching or consulting business and build it to $5,000 to $10,000. This training is going to give you everything you need for how to grow and scale your business, okay? This is really going to help you. And if you can use it and apply it, you can literally today start to implement these kind of ideas and grow your business, okay? I'm gonna leave you there. Thanks for watching. Best of luck to you in 2021 or whatever you're watching this video, if it's 3 years from now. And I will see you on the next training.